What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So today's video I will show you how to recover a deleted campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get started. So let me go ahead and delete this campaign over here to show you a live example. So I'll click on this campaign and then hit delete and then hit delete again. All right, perfect. And now as you can see, this campaign is gone. It's deleted from the Ads Manager and you probably will not be able to find it unless you are going to do the next steps. So here's what we need to do. We need to click here on the search and filter, and then we need to scroll down till it says delivery and click on it, and then select campaign delivery and then select deleted and hit apply. Now we need to repeat this process as well for the ad set and ad. So we'll hit delivery again and click on ad set and click deleted and apply. And lastly, we'll do the same thing for the ad delivery, deleted and apply. All right, perfect. And now as you can see, we recovered the deleted campaign. Unfortunately, you will not be able to recover it, so it will show up with the rest of your campaigns in the ads manager, but you can see all the data of this campaign, as well as you can go ahead and duplicate it. But the way that you duplicate this campaign is a little bit different because you need to duplicate each component separately. So let me go ahead and show you an example of how to go ahead and duplicate this campaign. So what I will need is to select the campaign over here and hit duplicate and then hit duplicate again. All right, perfect. And as you can see, it has duplicated the campaign, but only the campaign without the ad sets and ads. So let's go back and now let's open up this campaign and go to the ad set level, as you can see, and we'll do the same thing and we'll do duplicate and duplicate with current settings and hit continue. And now what we need to do here is we need to select existing campaign and we'll click on the search bar over here, and this is the copy of the original deleted campaign. So let's go ahead and select this and hit duplicate. All right, perfect. And as you can see, we have the campaign and we have the ad set, but we still don't have the ads inside. So let's go ahead and close that as well and go back to the campaign level and open up the deleted campaign again, and we'll open up the ad set, and now we can see all the ads over here, and we'll go into select all of them and we'll hit duplicate again, and we'll scroll down and hit existing campaign, click on the search bar, and we'll pick our duplicated campaign. And we also need to select the ad set that we want to duplicate the ads to. So we'll click on this search bar over here and click on the ad set, and now let's go ahead and hit duplicate. All right, perfect. And as you can see over here, we have the copy of the deleted campaign, we have the copy of the deleted ad set, and we have the copy of all the ads that were inside the deleted campaign. So this is how you recover a deleted campaign in your Facebook Ads Manager. If you took some value out of this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next one, peace.